Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I am Jyotirvid Pawan Kumar. Friends, do you know what a prayer is? But many people are unable to understand and they are confused because so many times their prayers are not answered. They pray for something, but it doesn't materialize. Let us look into it. See, a prayer is like a mantra. Yes, there is no difference between a prayer and a mantra. Whatever you want to pray, you should write down on a piece of paper in precise language. So it will become your mantra. Now, the ultimate place where your prayer is going to reach is your own over self or your soul. But it is not easy to convey your prayer to your over self because your over self is in a very high dimension, ninth dimension, and you are here in the third dimension. So you have to repeat your prayers again and again. It's no good if you pray once a week, say on Sundays, and then for the rest of the week you forget. No, you have to be regular. Pray again and again, repeatedly. Now your over self knows what is your agenda for life. What are the tasks which you planned before your birth? So if your over self thinks that whatever you are praying for is going to help you in fulfilling all the tasks which are essential for you to be accomplished in this life, then your over self will definitely help you in fulfilling your prayer. The other place where your prayer reaches is your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind is very powerful. It is easier to tap into your subconscious mind, but again you have to repeat your prayers every day, many times. So if your prayer sinks into your subconscious mind, then because your subconscious mind is very powerful, it will empower you to accomplish a lot of things yourself. Right? So prayer is very effective. Now many people, they pray for their own selfish desires, material desires. Then there are less chances of your prayers being fulfilled because your over self knows whether extra wealth or material possessions are going to help you in accomplishing your tasks in life. But if you pray for helping others, for the good of others, then there are more chances that your prayer will be fulfilled. Now, if you desire more wealth, honestly, in order to help others, those who are less privileged, then yes, there are chances that your prayer will be fulfilled. But then when your prayer is realized, you get wealth, then be honest to keep your promise which you made with your over self. If you at that time forget about your promise, then it can go against you. You may lose everything. It is very important. So, prayer is very effective, very effective. I am telling you from my own experience that it works. So you know what a true prayer means and how you can reach your over self or your subconscious mind, and what your prayers should be. Your prayers should be mostly for helping others, right? Or for empowering yourself to rise above your material traits, material expectations, and to evolve spiritually. Such prayers can be fulfilled easily. Thank you for watching.